Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to paper trade right here on HFM. And if you want to do this, we go here to home, select demo, and then click here on open demo account. Select right here on demo premium. And then after that, what you need to do is select right here. We fill in MT5. I already created 3 accounts, so that is why it's not possible. But when you do this for the first time, you can click right here on MT5. Then we select right here US dollars, 1 to 30, right here the balance, and then fill in right here a password. And then after that, we click right here on open account. If I go right here to home and select demo, I already have 3 accounts. And then what you need to do from here is go to your email. And then you need to search right here for your login and your password details. And if you click right here on trade, he will send us, if you click here on the MT5 web terminal, he will send us automatically right here to the web terminal. And then right now we need to fill in our password. And if you click here on connect to account, he will send us right here to the chart. Then from now, if we want to create ourselves a buy or sell position, we can search here for a symbol. So right now, euro to US dollar is fine. Then what we're going to do is click right here on new order. So then we fill in 0.01 for 1K volume. We can put a stop loss or take profit right here if you want to do that. And then click right here just on buy. Now we can do exactly the same for sell. And if you want to close our position, we scroll down right here and click right here on the cross. Then the first time you will get right here a one-click trading disclaimer. So we click on I accept and then accept. And now every time when we click here on the cross, he will close our position automatically. So right now when we click here on the cross, he closed our trade. And this is in a nutshell how you can paper trade right here on HFM. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.